How do? Welcome back. And I think I forgot how to do this. I have forgot how to do this. Been a while. Anyway, here we are. Welcome aboard Lola. Now, if you've seen the previous video, I rescued this old girl here from, well, she's not been on the road since 2012. 2011, 2012. Last MOT were 2011, so round about there, like, really. And there were loads wrong with her. That's where I've been. Yeah, that's where I've been. I've been putting this back together. This is my longest day challenge bike for this year. 1,000 mile in 24 hours for Cancer Research UK on the summer solstice. And well, we nearly didn't come out today because it almost sounded like it had locked up when I pressed the button. However, a quick plug in with Optimate for a couple of minutes and away we go. So I think we've got a rogue battery. So we're going to go for a ride now, get a few more miles in on her, because that's the name of the game. We're giving that little thing down there a go today, aren't we, as well, at navigation, because the first two bits of this ride I'm going to be doing next month. Well, the first bit, you can't get lost, but there's a couple of little bits where I've got to go through a city centre and a town centre, and that'll help. That'll do the oh yeah, we went left here. Oh, wrong way around. Used to the mini bikes. I think we're going right here. Here we go. Average speed cameras. Wonder what Monkey Mark's doing now. Probably out on something with a proper engine, isn't it? I miss mini bikes, I'll tell you that now. But I've missed this hell of a lot more. 16 years she's been out of my life. She's back. Lola is back. Oh, you So what's she like anyway? This old girl. Just been brought back to life after a good 12 or 13 years sleep. What's she like? Well, she's took some getting up and running. Tank had about, I don't know, tank was absolutely full to top of black rust, and I mean it was welded on there, like proper welded on. That took some doing. 10 litres of white vinegar. We started with that. Then we went to the evaporust, which, if I'm being honest, that's the stuff. If you've ever got a rusty tank and you want to sort it out, and then evaporust, that's your gear. So that was the tank. What else? The gears. What else? Brakes, they were knackered. Oh, pistons were a bit seized up. Front discs were, I don't know what they were covered with. I think, well, so I give them a little bit of a wire walling and clean the pistons up and a bit of the old lube on them. New pads front and rear, and then what, chain and sprockets, because the chain looked like it had been at bottom at sea. That were probably the chain I put on when I last owned it, because it's only done 2,500 miles since it left me. So chain and sprockets, brakes, tank, then tyres, new tyres, because they were like 2009 tyres. They were knackered, so new set of tyres. Put some Pirelli Rosso 3s on. You don't get much of a choice now with this, with 16-inch front wheel. Then what, I have to whip the carbs off. Bought a carb seal kit from NRP in Manchester, and I bought them on a Monday night, and they were with me for Thursday. I bought them late on bought them on a Tuesday. They were with me Thursday, so that was fantastic. Gotta say a massive thanks to Nige and his lad Ben. They sorted the carbs out for me. I whipped them off. Nige met me, took them away on a Friday night, and I can't believe it. Saturday dinner, he's saying to me, "Your carbs are ready, pal." Awesome. So I went and got them back on the Sunday, plopped them back on it, oil and filter, reinstated the vacuum pipe and a new petcock, because previous owner for some reason had cut the vac pipe, bunged it up and put just a on-off fuel tap on bottom of the tank, and well, that's not right, is it? Right, so that got sorted out. Well, not keen on these roads here. Anyway, what else? New petcock with a new filter inside, obviously. Inline fuel filter, and that's where we're up to. She's MOT'd, she's out and about. We're just at the point now where I've got to ride it. And I've got to get some trust in her, because, well, I've got to trust her, haven't I? For that sort of mileage. I do love this bike though. Proper love this bike. Not much of a moto vlog this, is it? Telling you all about my bike, what I've done to it, and riding through centre of Preston. I have genuinely forgot how to chat to myself. I do it all day, every day. Chat to myself, chat absolute rubbish to myself. I mean, I get caught talking to myself on a regular basis, don't I? Bulb's working. Missing dog, burr. Oh, blimey. I'll nod at anyone on two wheels. Definitely. The copper kettle. Spelt wrong. Couldn't win there, me. Spelt wrong, that. Do you think he sells minis? Hello. Might not be able to get drone up here. Well, temp were climbing then, wasn't it? 97. Properly not sure about this motovlogging me like him, am I? B-line's being quite decent, isn't it though? Can't knock that. Sure this is the old A6. Sure this were the old road, wasn't it? Right hand turn into and a bit miles. Bet he's horsing now, Taylor. With his wellies on his Harriet coat. Boiling. Clutch in for horses. Stay there. That's going to do 1,000 miles in 24 hours next month. But if we're being honest, it's got to do 2,000 miles in 3 days. Stunning here. Absolutely stunning. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day here. Thanks for coming with me. Thanks for coming out on Lola for the first time. And I'll see you soon.